state of emergency has been declared.
This could be an historic storm.
Do not go outside during blizzard conditions. Make a plan, hunker down.
We are in for quite a snowstorm.
The second half of our New York trip got pretty interesting. We decided to pack up early and leave the island. We were headed to Flushing, Queens to take shelter. We got there a couple hours before our actual check-in, and we rested in the very comfortable hotel lobby. Big ups, Bonvoy Marriott. We decided the only way to look at it going forward is as a blessing in disguise. They even let us check in a little bit early.
Oh, very nice, how much?
Wow, just look at that beautiful view. Hunter's favorite chair. You ready to make a home movie? We're in Flushing, New York. You think this is where they got the idea for the movie Flushed Away with the rats for DreamWorks?
Flushed Away.
I don't know that movie.
But I like it. It's very Asian. It's cool. And then you got like smack dab in the middle, like some Protestant churches, some like de la Iglesia de la Guadalupe, and all sorts of shit. Hey, how you doing, brother? Can I please do a bacon, egg, and cheese on a roll?
One bacon, only one or
Just one, yeah.
okay.
Thank you.
Oh, what's up? Bodega cat. Bodega cat. Bodega.Create.
Engineering, you can return to quarters. They say you're no longer needed. Time is 00:06.
Jesus, cut. I mean, I can't really tell the difference. So, Baba, if you were to rate me, how did I order that bacon, egg, and cheese on a roll?
You are very touristy.
Really?
Yeah, New Yorker don't say however you like.
Well, New Yorker can go suck a fat. We've been in New York maybe, what, 3 days now? And this is the most New York I've actually
This is
done.
the fourth day.
Fourth day. Welcome to Queens, baby. Yum, 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 yum. Looks good, dude. No, that's America. We ended up taking a little stroll through J-Mart, seeing all the little odds and ends. We weren't really aiming to buy anything, but we were making a mental list. Oh, wow. Hi, brother. Start from the top and go down? The Bobaski method? That's enough kisses, guys. We did a little extensive research, and by we, I mean me, for around 2 hours in the hotel lobby. And I came to find out that Chinese food here is one of the best. After a few several thousand steps worth of window shopping, we decided to Google nearest K-barbecue to me. And we found one that was rated highly. So we took a step and we made a journey. And we found ourselves delighted with one of the best K-barbecues that I've had here in the States. Yeah, still snowing. I'm about 3 pounds heavier, twice as happy. What you digging in there for?
Where's your phone?
In the big pocket? Dig a little deeper. Find something nice. Oh. It's so fine. It's like sand. Whoa, Bobaski. stay going apparently until 6 p.m. today. We'll see. But the good news, the forecast shows that Tuesday will be nice and sunny. That's nice, huh? God bless you, brother. Whew, that man is doing the Lord's work. This is no joke. I'm about to bust my ass. Alright, hey, this wasn't the best idea. See, I come from the south, so forgive me if I don't know proper snow walking etiquette. Oh. Let me head all the way. There's Goofy in the neighborhood come alive. Hey, how you doing, man? Sorry, on YouTube?
I know.
Oh, it's okay? I can turn off?
It's okay, you can, you can.
Thank you. So we got the special of the house, a Philly and a bad boy, and my dude over here is cooking it up. Yeah. Orts, ta-da,
Oh.
and then ta-da.
अले मस्त हारो ले जो एकदम फेभरेट है जो.
Hey, show us going back over there.
That's good, man. That's good. Yeah. Right. That's good guy, okay?
Appreciate it.
So एकदम pocket में nice.
Yeah.
And बद्दी लीजिए जो.
Good for you.
You can tap.
What?
You can tap.
Oh, okay, yeah.
That's good.
Even better if it goes through. Now, time to learn a few more ropes on the snowy ladder. I'm excited for this though. I'm about to be munching. Oh. Chicken cutlet on a hero, Baba.
You get it? Yeah.
This is Town Hall. South Africa stuck my whole foot in that one. Oh, please tell me that's the police station. Oh yeah, that little castle. Oh. Last day in New York, still in Flushing. I gotta say, I love the town. It's beautiful, it's full of so much life, culture, diversity. Too bad Sung says there's too many Asians, so we can't live here. That's kind of sad, but it is what it is. Still chilly though, chuta. Hello? I was saying my goodbyes and taking my last few steps in Flushing. Our flight was only a few hours away, and I reminisced about the whole New York City experience. Looking back, we had a really great time. It was beautiful getting to experience everything that the Big Apple has to offer, especially with the Bobaski in hand. The food, the people, the laughs and the good times, and the bad times too. We tried to cram in all the souvenirs, the tchotchkes, and the memorable selfies that we could. Tried to hit all the big stuff. We even got to see a show on Broadway. On our way back in the terminal, we of course had to say one last goodbye to New York City pizza. I really enjoyed New York City, and I'm excited to go back again. Maybe next time, a little bit less snow. Thanks for sticking tuned, and thank you. Hope you enjoy very dynamic shots of pasta and pizza. Always a pleasure. Peace, love, dope.